Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Scholar, the go-to channel for all things crypto. Today, we're diving into a game changer in the crypto space, Bonsai3. If you're into Web3, token creation, and automated market making, you're in for a treat. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with our crypto explorations. Now, let's get started. Disclaimer.
The content shared on this channel is for informational and entertainment purposes only. We are not financial advisors, and our views should not be taken as professional advice. Cryptocurrency investments are risky and can result in losses. Always do your own research and consult with experts before making any financial decisions. We are not liable for any losses you may incur based on the information from this channel.
Bonsai3, the name itself evokes growth and simplicity. Imagine turning your crypto ideas into reality with just a few clicks. Bonsai3 offers precisely that, a no-code solution for everything Web3. It's like planting the seed of your crypto project and watching it grow into a thriving tree. Let's break down the key features. No-code solutions for everything Web3, that's the Bonsai3 promise. Effortless token creation, seamless distribution, and automated market making. Picture each tool as a branch, and together, they form the robust Bonsai3 tree. Here's what you can achieve with this platform. Say goodbye to the complexities of token creation. Bonsai3 provides audited contracts, ensuring secure tokens are deployed in seconds. Your crypto journey just became a whole lot smoother. Want to add buybacks, burns, staking, vesting, LP provision, and more to your project? Bonsai3 has got you covered. It's like having a toolkit for turbocharging the growth of your crypto venture. And speaking of growth, once you've set everything up, your work is done. Sit back, relax, and watch your bonsai grow. It's that simple. Now, let's talk about the green in your crypto garden. $SED. Every token launched on Bonsai3 generates a small fee, and guess what? In the spirit of decentralized ownership, 66% of all profits go back to $SED holders. Imagine your bag growing as the platform flourishes. Intrigued? Let's see how you can get involved. To be part of this exciting venture, simply click and buy $SED on Uniswap. It's your ticket to sharing in the profits of every project on Bonsai3. The more it grows, the more you earn. So, why not plant some $SED today? Now, you might be thinking, is Bonsai3 only for beginners? Absolutely not. Even experienced developers find solace in this platform. Let's explore why. Blockchain technology can be a daunting realm for many developers. The learning curve is steep, Web3 lacks infrastructure, and mistakes can be costly. Bonsai3 simplifies the complexity, empowering founders and developers to explore new frontiers without wrestling with new technology. And there you have it, crypto enthusiasts. Bonsai3, the gateway to effortless Web3 solutions. From no-code token creation to sharing in project profits with $SED, it's a game changer for both beginners and experienced developers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow crypto enthusiasts. Subscribe for more insights, and remember, the crypto journey is always evolving. Signing off from Crypto Scholar. Until next time, happy investing.